Good day, everyone. Today, I will discuss to you about the digital literacy skills in the 21st century. The 21st century has redefined digital literacy. It has broadened its perspective to include other aspects of the 21st century context. These literacies include: first, cyber literacy or digital literacy; second, media literacy; third, arts and creativity literacy; and fourth, financial literacy; and lastly, fifth, multicultural literacy or global understanding. These lessons will focus on digital skills and digital literacy as a response to the 21st century. Okay, anyone have an idea about what is digital literacies? Mm-hmm. Exactly. What are digital literacies? The digital literacies are individuals' capabilities to be able to effectively and responsibly function and perform in the digital society. The term digital literacies was coined by Paul Gilster in 1997, and it came from discussions of the concepts on a visual literacy when images and nonverbal symbols try to capture the knowledge. Technological literacies requiring one to be able to use technology and addressing a need. Computer literacy, which in the 1980s started to become a household item manipulated to achieve one target, and information literacy, which refers to the finding, evaluating, using, and sharing of information. In the teaching and learning context, digital literacy is an important competence. In school, it has become a buzzword, which refers to the ability to access, process, understand, utilize, create media and content using information technologies in the internet. Welcome to the world of the digital literacies. First, the media literacy is one ability to critically read information or content and utilize multimedia in creatively producing communication. Media literacy is expanded conceptualization and analyze media messages. Okay, here in the next one, the information literacy is locating information from the web and interpreting while evaluating its validity in order that it can be shared. For example, just like Google, social media, we can get information from that app or application. And that's why we can get more information about that, about what's happening in our society. Okay, the third one is ICT literacy, is knowing how to select and use digital devices, application, or services to accomplish tasks requiring the use of the internet. ICT literacy is using digital technology communication tools or networks to access, manage, or integrate, or evaluate and create information in order to function in a knowledge society. And that is ICT literacy. Okay, up next is the communication and collaboration, are one capabilities in being able to participate in the digital network in the teaching and learning context. Okay, the next one is the identity management, is being able to understand how to ensure safety and security in managing online identity and foster a positive digital reputation. We all know that the safety and security is one of the first step before we create our own account in the different application or platform of social media. Okay, let's proceed to learning skills. Are ways of knowing how to study and learn in a technology enriched environment. This is knowing how to utilize technology and addressing the need of learn efficiently. And lastly, the digital scholarship is being able to link and participate in professional and research practices. One important component of digital literacy is having an in-depth understanding of concepts requiring essential core skills. These core skills are known as the CS of the 21st century skills. So here are the 4 CS of the 21st century skills. First, the critical thinking is learning how to solve problems. It is the ability to differentiate facts from opinions and not only just learn a set of facts or figures but also discover this for the sake of knowing what ought to be. Critical thinking is finding solutions to problems. You should have a plan A or plan B to solve your problem. That is critical thinking. Okay, the next one is creativity. Requires students to think out of the box or to take pride in what is uniquely theirs. Creativity encourages students to think beyond the expectations of conventions, rather. Creativity is thinking outside the box. You should think wide perceptions, wide imaginations, in order for to think what is the best things to do. Okay, the third is communication. Makes students express their ideas in the clearest and organized manner through the varied modes, face-to-face, technological, mediated, or blended medium. They need to know how to efficiently and clearly convey ideas. So lastly, the collaboration happens when students how to work well with others to accomplish a given task or solve a problem at hand. So working with others, cooperating, participating so that you can finish your work on time. And the next slide, so Lynch 2017 identify 8 digital literacy skills needed to become digitally literate. First is coding, is universal language, basic understanding of HTML, CSS, and the like will create a shared understanding of what we can be done with the web pages. The second one is the collaboration. The use of Google Docs, among others, allows students to begin experimenting with effective online collaboration. The third one is cloud software. This is an essential part of documents management. The cloud is used to store everything from photos to research projects to term papers and even music. And fourth, the word processing software. Google, Microscope, online Dropbox are available for storage and management solutions. Fifth is a screencasting. It's a video recording using the computer screen and usually includes an audio. On the other hand, when you take a picture on the screen of your computer, it is called a print screen. Both can be used in explaining topics as well as providing a visual support to clarify what you are thinking. While print screen is a picture, the screencasting is a video screen capture, which is a great way to share ideas, and it is easy to use for novice video creator. Okay, the sixth is the personal archiving. Students should be taught this concept of metadata, tagging keywords and categories to make them aware how are they represented online. And the seventh is information evaluation. Critical thinking to be without fake news is a crucial 21st century skill. The use of tools and skills needed to process information are very much needed. 8. Last is the use of social media. Social media serves different purposes depending on the use, the technology, and the need. For example, students should realize that Twitter can be useful for staying current on the latest news in the field. So here are the tables. The table show us the connection between digital skills and digital literacies. And that should be all. Thank you once again. Good day.